Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 25th March 2026, Nifty index opened gap up by almost 370 points on account of some relief on the global front, but sunk in the first half of the session. It took some halt near 22,600 and witnessed a buying spree of around 400 points. The index slightly rubbed off its gains towards the concluding hour and finally closed with gains of around 400 points. It formed a small-bodied candle on the daily frame with longer lower shadow and negated its lower highs formation of the last three sessions. India VIX was down by 7.5% to 24.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.07. Option data suggests a broader trading range could be in between 22,400 to 23,500 levels, while immediate range could be in between 22,600 to 23,300 marks. Now moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 6,437 crores, while TIIs were buyers worth 5,486 crores. FII's index long-short ratio has decreased to 13.8%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 22,850 for the next up move towards 23,333 marks, while supports have shifted higher to 22,750. Bank Nifty has to hold above 52,500 for a bounce towards 53,000 levels, while on the downside, support can be seen at 52,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in a selective stocks which includes Uno Minda, Persistent, Premier Energies, Reliance, Eternal, MCX, Tube Investments, Apollo Hospital, BSC, Vari Energies, NTPC and HCL Tech. While some weakness could be seen in Lodha, Cipla, Sun Pharma and Tata Power. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.